Welcome back to the last episode of Project X Season 2. This has been a tremendous build. It went from blue and beastly to something fantastic that you're gonna see. We've got Jed here today. I can't wait to show him how it looks. We've got everybody that was involved in this build here with me today so I can get them to talk a little bit about all the work that went into this. And I can't wait to show you, the audience, everything we did, because when we say a complete rebuild, this was a complete rebuild. Hang on in just a second. I'm gonna go get Jed.
This season of Project X is brought to you by SBT, the largest supplier of high-quality jet ski parts in the world.
Jed!
Come on. Oh my God. Are you kidding me, Joe?
What do you think?
It looks amazing, brother. Thank
It's not
you.
the same
Oh my
one. It's not the
God.
same one, is it?
Are we sure?
I don't think so.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? This is crazy.
The seat, the mats, all of this is new.
This is unbelievable. God, this is beautiful. It's so supportive. It's so much nicer.
It's
God,
absolutely wonderful.
Look at these, the wrap. It's so vibrant. Oh my God.
Well, I think you got to help. I think we had a friend of yours involved in that.
This is so
Dean,
vibrant.
come on over here. Dean, I think you had something to do with
Come
this
on,
wrap,
you guys.
buddy.
Yeah,
The stereo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So as you wanted something bright so you would be seen on the water, and we absolutely did that for you. We wanted to pair with the black and white color scheme that you talked about, so we put a punch of color in these camo mats. HydroTurf and SBT provided us with a super supportive seat, as you said, again following the black and white color scheme. And we got some bumping stereo over there with JL Audio, and we were working with Auto Sound and Security for that. So I know there were a lot of other people here on the project working on some things. So
Yes, there was.
I guess we'll
Brian,
bring
come
them
on
in.
over. Brian.
Oh my.
Brian, Jed.
Hey. Thanks for everything. I appreciate it. Yeah. Unbelievable, guys. Just an unbelievable transformation. You wouldn't even recognize it's the same ski.
No.
It's-
Brian did a lot of the work that you see underneath here, where the impeller was removed. We got a brand new impeller housing, brand new impeller. All new bearings have been done. We also replaced all of the cables on this. Brian was underneath here quite a bit, so you might have only seen his legs on some of the videos, but I tell you, he had all of this out. All of that's been rebuilt and replaced.
It's better than new. And this is better than new.
It's absolutely
insane.
wonderful.
This is insane.
And another person that was involved in it was Eric Garber. Eric was instrumental on helping me
Eric.
with this engine.
Thanks for everything. I appreciate it, man. You guys, this is truly remarkable.
I truly
Awesome.
could not have rebuilt this engine the way we did without Eric. This was a complete engine overhaul. You have a new crankshaft, bearings, camshaft, timing chain, pistons, piston rings. What else? Am I missing anything, Eric?
I mean, it's we're just going over this thing, every last little point, every last little detail, all the measurements, the clearances, just making sure everything was spot on. That's where we.
Everything was great. Yeah, I mean, that was a lot of work. You helped me out a lot with that. SBT provided us all the parts for that engine rebuild, which was fantastic. All the special tools we needed, they provided as well. Also, we had some help from Yuasa Battery. You got a brand new battery in here. When this thing came in here, it wouldn't start. And that battery was smoking when I tried to charge it, so we had a little bit of an issue with that. We also had Autolite provide us with some brand new double platinum spark plugs. And then Fram helped us with the filtration. So we got a lot of players involved in this.
I had no idea the extent of this project. You guys really just went all out. And
I didn't know the extent of it either.
Wow, but
It was.
look at this final product. I can't wait. This arm's got to heal fast so I can get this bad boy out on the water quickly.
Yeah, it runs great. It sounds great. The stereo works great. You even needed some new latches. We got some ones that are custom made to look a little bit with the color and everything to
I
match.
saw those. These were like little cheap rubber things before.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
We also
Absolutely
replaced the center console up here for you as well. It was cracked up here.
brand new.
And our friends
It
at
was
SBT had it in stock. And they provided it for us as well.
It's better than new.
Same with the front bumpers.
It's better than new.
The gun wall, all of that's been replaced. SBT provided us all those parts that we needed. You had a non-working speedometer. Guess what? You have a working speedometer now.
Let's see how crazy fast it's gonna really go now. Yeah.
So now
great.
you can track how fast it's going.
You probably made it so fast that I won't have time to look down at the speedometer. Oh my goodness, guys. Unbelievable.
Reliability no more.
There you go.
I'll just know I'm going really, really fast.
I think nobody's going to have a problem noticing you out anywhere you go.
No, especially with the speed and the color. We worked with a company called Wrapped by SB, and Scotty came in and we wrapped this thing. It was amazing. It wasn't too difficult, and with the amount of large pieces that we have in here, you don't see too many seams. Additionally, with the front, we did a layer of PPF. So essentially, when you're at a boat party or if the front of the jet ski peeks under someone's swim platform, it's not going to damage that wrap for you. And we wrapped this thing from Big Blue to Orange Fury. No one's going to miss you on the water.
And he did a great job. It looks fantastic. I was skeptical when you told me what color you picked, but man, you guys really nailed it. Looks great.
Absolutely.
It's safe. It's like it was dark blue. It matched the lake, and now it's not only is it hot, it's everybody can safely see you as well, too.
And hear you with the new stereo.
They're gonna they're gonna hear me before they see me. That's for sure. Probably. I can't wait to try it all out.
For sure.
Thanks so
I
much.
can't wait
guys.
to see you on the lake in it.
It was great to be part of the group, Joe. Thank you so much for it.
Great to
And
have
you
everybody.
guys being
I had a great
working
team with me.
alongside with you.
I had a great team that helped us out,
Yeah.
really getting this done. Worked out great.
Absolutely. So Jed, hope you enjoy it. We're gonna get out on the water and ride together. I got White Lightning.
Yeah.
You've got
Orange
Fury. So we're gonna jump on these and see how they ride.
Sounds like a good idea.
Awesome. Are we gonna be able to watch anything more? Any new Project X episodes? Any new jet skis or ATVs, UTVs?
You know, there is going to be another season 3 of Project X. Make sure you stay tuned to see what's dropping next. Thanks for watching season 2. We had a blast. We hope you had fun too. Thanks to everybody involved. SBT, UASA, Autolite, Fram, Amsoil. All of you were great help. Wrapped by Scotty.
Yeah.
A lot of people involved, and of course a great team here made it all possible. Thanks again. We'll see you for season 3.